This roof documentation flight begins with an overview of the southern-facing concrete tile roof, captured from the rear toward the front to show structure, components, and general condition. Rear of the southern slope. First, roof vent, tile alignment, and surface condition. Forward section shows additional vents and overall tile layout. Front of the slope. Transition into the roof. Pop out and attic ventilation opening, showing how the main roof connects to the projecting structure. East-facing front elevation. Roof pop out over the window line. Surrounding field tiles and drainage pathways around the structure. North-facing slope. Pitch change and continuation of the concrete tile pattern for full roof geometry coverage. North slope penetrations, plumbing vents, and mechanical exhaust points, with placement and surrounding tile condition documented. East-facing roof line. Additional roof pop-out, tile alignment, flashing transitions, and water-shedding pathways. West end of the east slope. Roof termination and adjoining ridgeline, with a second ridgeline segment captured for continuity. West-facing slope. Metal attic vent and surrounding field tiles. One chipped concrete tile with minor surface loss. Two additional chipped tiles. Ridge vent material visible beneath ridge tiles. Thicker and ribbed compared to surrounding surfacing. Ridge cap documented across multiple segments to show full coverage of the upper structure. Opposing ridgeline view for directional context and completion of the documentation sequence. All photos and video in this presentation were captured in 4K, allowing every frame to be zoomed, reviewed, and frame grabbed for maximum detail. Dimension Drone AZ provides litigation-grade roof documentation supported by FAA certification and Level 1 thermography training for accurate, defensible visual records.